Hello students, I am Vijay, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Government Science College, Assam. I am going to teach you the subject Mathematics. I hope all of you fit and fine at your home, isn't it? We know that due to Corona pandemic, most of the colleges have started online classes. Here, I and Professor Shashikumar sir will going to handle the first BSc Mathematics classes. You must take advantage of this opportunity. First of all, I would like to extend my warmest wishes to all of you on the beginning of the new academic year 2020-21. I congratulate all of you for joining Government Science College. Government Science College, our college is attracting students from the entire district and from other districts too. As we all know that beginning of something new is really amazing. A next chapter of your life having lot of challenges, and it depends on how you make the strategy to overcome the challenges. Being a teacher, I personally and strongly believe that each student is different and unique, and this is the place where a proper shape is given to your future. Dear students, don't compare yourself with anyone because everyone is unique. We can't be good in everything, isn't it? Compete with yourself, learn from your mistakes, and try to do your best. Dear students, you all joined this BSc course with a lot of dreams, isn't it? If you have the dreams and goals of your life in this study, then you can go to a higher level in life. But for that, you have to work hard and pursue it. Hard work is the most valuable possession of man. Hard work alone can make us happy and successful. If you want to succeed in life, you need to be a hard-working person. Success has no shortcuts. Success doesn't mean earning a lot of money or gaining a lot of fame, but success may mean a lot of different things to a lot of different people. Okay, now let us come to our subject, mathematics. Why we learn mathematics? Where it is? What are the importance of mathematics? Mathematics is all around us. From the minute you wake up until you go to sleep, you are using mathematics in one or another way. As soon as you get up in the morning, everyone watches the clock, isn't it? In clock, numbers are there. For cooking purpose, you need to give some ingredients, that is a quantity. There also math is there. Many of our decisions in our life are of mathematics. How much, how big, how small, how wide, how far. All this requires some mathematical investigations and calculations. Mathematics is the only subject whose study consistently enhances across all other fields of science. Mathematics is an intellectual endeavor through which you can develop imagination, creativity, flexibility of mind, power of reasoning, abstract thinking, critical thinking, problem-solving ability, and the ability to appreciate the beauty of nature. Mathematics has played a vital role in inventing computers, designing space and energy programs, and investigating the structure of DNA molecules. Much of design and control of high technology systems depends on mathematical inputs and outputs. Without mathematics, there would be no cars, no plane, no electricity, no mobile networks, no computers, nothing. Today, what we are all enjoying as a result of technical innovations, that is all possible only through mathematics. It is the backbone of our modern day technology. That is why mathematics is respected as queen of all sciences and language of nature. If you are able to solve problem in mathematics, then definitely you are able to solve the problems in your life. without mathematics, life is undefined. Because its career starts with zero, but it never ends. That means infinity. Alfred Rene is one of the great mathematicians. He says, if I feel unhappy, I do mathematics to become happy. If I feel happy, then also I do mathematics to keep that happiness. Paul Dirac is also one of the great mathematicians. He says, if there is a God, he is a great mathematician. The pulse of earth is mathematics. Darwin says, mathematics is the mirror of our culture. The advancement of mathematics has been running in era by era. As far as the job opportunities are concerned, this is the golden age for mathematics background students. For those who wish to pursue a teaching career, well-paying teaching positions are available in many colleges. If you want to pursue a research career, many positions are available in universities. Many financial service companies are aggressively recruiting mathematics background students. The salary offered are better than those offered to the IT graduates. Let us realize and appreciate the beauty of the subject and embrace it with all our heart. Okay, we will send you the videos and notes in Google Classroom. Okay, time up. I will back in the next video. Thank you.